हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं विजय और आप लोगों का जीवी स्टडी में स्वागत है। आज हम लोग जीएस का 20 क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आज का पहला क्वेश्चन है, द फ्लेवर ऑफ एप्पल्स इज मेनली ड्यू टू विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। हियर ऑप्शन ए इज फॉर्मेलिन, ऑप्शन बी इज बेंजीन, ऑप्शन सी इज एथेनॉल, ऑप्शन डी इज बेंजल्डिहाइड। हियर आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज एथेनॉल। Question number second is, lungs of a plant are. Here option A is leaves, option B is stems, option C is flowers, and option D is roots. Here answer will be option number A, that is leaves. Question number third is, wavelength of X-rays is of the order of. Here option A is 1 mm, option B is 1 cm, option C is 1 micron, and option D is 1 angstrom. Here answer will be option number D, that is 1 angstrom. Question number fourth is, heavy water is used as a coolant in nuclear reactors. Heavy water is what? Option A is water rich in minerals. Option B is ozonized water. Option C is water containing minerals of heavy metal. Option D is water containing heavy isotope of hydrogen. Here answer will be option number D, that is water containing heavy isotope of hydrogen. Question number fifth is, when air is blown from mouth into a test tube containing lime water turns milky. This is due to the presence of what? Here option A is water vapor, option B is oxygen, option C is carbon monoxide, and at last option D is carbon dioxide. Here answer will be option number D, that is carbon dioxide. Question number 6 is, which of the following is moderate conductor of electricity? Here option A is carborundum, option B is diamond, option C is graphite, and option D is silica. Here answer will be option number C, that is graphite. Question number 7 is, species is a group of organism which. Option A is interbreed freely, option B is do not interbreed, option C is live together, option D is none of these. Here answer will be option number A, that is interbreed, that is interbreed freely. Question number 8 is, yeast is an important source of what? Option A is vitamin C, option B is protein, option C is vitamin B, and option D is invertase. Here answer will be option number B, that is protein. Question number 9 is, graveyard of RBC is. Option number A is spleen, option number B is liver, option number C is kidney, and D is thymus. Here answer will be option number A, that is spleen. Question number 10 is, Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction is related to the. Option A is law of conservation of charge, option B is law of conservation of energy, option C is third law of motion, and option D is none of these. Here answer will be option number B, that is law of conservation of energy. Question number 11 is, life originated by chemosynthesis was provided in the laboratory by. Option A is Pasteur, option B is Morgan, option C is Aristotle, and option D is Miller. Here answer will be option number D, that is Miller. Question number 12 is, when one gene pair hides the effect of the other unit, the phenomenon is referred to as what? Here option A is epistasis, option B is dominance, option C is mutation, option D is none of the option. Here answer will be option number A, that is epistasis. Question number 13 is, which of the following gases is used in cigarette lighters? Here option is given. Option A is methane, option B is butane, option C is propane, and option D is radon. Here answer will be option number B, that is butane. Question number 14 is the cleaning action of soap and detergent in water due to the formation of. Here option is given. Option A is missile, option B is salt, option C is acid, option D is base. Here answer will be option number A, that is missile. Question number 15 is which type of current is flowing through a circuit? Option A is static current, option B is conventional current, option C is electronic current, option D is potential current. Here answer will be option number C, that is electronic current. Question number 16 is the isotope of hydrogen which is radioactive is. Option number A is deuterium, option number B is parahydrogen, option number C is tritium, and option number D is nascent hydrogen. Here answer will be question number. Here answer will be option number C, that is tritium. Question number 17 is which of the following vitamins is needed for synthesis of eye? Eye pigment. Option A is vitamin B, option B is vitamin D, option C is vitamin K, and option D is vitamin A. Here answer will be vitamin D, that is vitamin A. Question number 18 is in old age skin become wrinkled due to what? Here option is given. Option number A is reduced blood circulation in skin, option number B is reduced elasticity of epidermis, option number C is reduced fatty tissue in skin, option number D is increased melanin and melanocytes in skin. Here answer will be option number B, that is reduced elasticity of epidermis. Question number 19 is the order of appearance of the following with increasing temperature during the refining of crude oil is what? Here option is given. Option A is kerosene, gasoline, and diesel. Option number B is given diesel, gasoline, kerosene. Option number C is given gasoline, kerosene, diesel, and at last D is given, that is gasoline, diesel, and kerosene. Here answer will be option number C, that is gasoline, kerosene, and diesel. And at last question number 20 is centrioles are found in where? That is option number A is green plants, option number B is animals, option number C is bacteria and cyanobacteria, and option number D is both B and C, that is animals and bacteria and cyanobacteria. Here answer will be option number B, that is only animals.